This is how to get better with every single gadget. First, let's start with the bat. The bat is a gadget to hit people.
I'm up here.
Fall down. And there's time. So better, you just need to maybe count the people.
Oh no.
Hopefully.
I'm rolling, bro. I'm just checking shit out.
Good, boy. Like that.
How do you jump?
And
stay out of my basement. This dude says stay out of his basement.
The next gadget is the spear. It's like the bat, you can like hit people like that, but you can also throw the spear like that. Oh my gosh, look at him. Throw the spear. It's the same with the arrow. Basically the same, but this one is fair. The dagger can be thrown super far, but it's not like with the counter stuff, but it's also such. Then we have the firework. Firework can basically travel a long distance, and it's really easy to control. Just then you can get to your location. The next one is the umbrella. But before we do the umbrella, let's I forgot to say shout out to my brother for giving me those ideas, because I couldn't find it something. The umbrella.
Oh, that's how you do it. I didn't know.
The umbrella is basically a gadget that you can fall slow. You can travel more distance with the umbrella. It's really huge. Next up, we got the pet gun. The pet gun is a far range. You can shoot people.
Make gadgets.
Far range. Pretty hard.
Make gadgets.
You see, I just shot him. So it's basically good for far range and stuff. Next up, we have the first one. Can be used and yeeps on animals.
Oh, where'd it go?
Hey, stop that! And the first one, you can get better with it. Sneaking up to someone and freezing it. Next up, we have the fireworks. You can shoot a spark. It's like a pet gun of it was. Next up, we have the shotgun. It's like a pet gun, but doesn't and shoot more. I will have you can go far range, and basically you can go up to places. And we have the rockets. So the rockets are basically a throwable bomb like those. But let's stop. This is a bomb that takes time. Oh my god. And this is a bomb that as soon as you grab it, it doesn't stick, but as soon as you grab it, it stops. And the rocket.
Please no, stop it, Daddy.
And so I will keep the trail.
Hi, Thomas. Hi. How's the weather down there? Oh, hey.
Oh, bitch ass.
Oh, you want to fight? Come on, let's go. Let's go, Thomas.
Like that? It's that one.
Bye.
Next up, we have the impulse bomb. Impulse bomb can basically help for movement. Like that, you can go far places. Next time, we have the smoke bomb. Just throw it, smoke.
Come on, find my ass. Hey, this is my
And radiation.
Bye.
That's also like a smoke bomb, but radiation. So
I'm
That's
still
me,
alive.
You need to go somewhere fast. And you don't know, and you don't have rockets or anything. This is the radiation gun. Radiation gun. To just put this. And also, if somebody built a pillow, you just throw the radiation gun and to destroy the pillow. And next up, we got the teleport bomb. Doesn't really destroy it, and you teleport to the place. Next up, we have the good stuff. You just
Scroll off, Connie.
just put some ores like diamonds and stuff.
What?
And then
What'd you say?
you can sell them. And
Hey!
put them.
Hey, you wanna see
Hi.
something cool?
Next
something
up.
cool, bro?
No, we don't have
Here,
any
look,
stuff.
look, look, look.
Yes.
Look what I can do.
So this is all the easy gadget to
Game is horrible.
put
What are you trying
on.
to do there, pal?
And one
I don't know how to play it.
if you have that, I think
You get
it's like radiation, but only for yourself. So use it, and it's basically a potion. So bye.